recognition and counting. Read and write numbers up to 10 million. When looking at large numbers, we need to look at place value. If we have our columns, we write this number. We can use commas to separate numbers greater than 999 to make them easier to read. We use commas every third digit from the right. So they separate thousands from ones, here, and they separate millions from thousands, here. This is 10 million. What is this number in words? When we're looking at large numbers, we need to look at place value. So we write our columns with the number in it. We use commas to separate numbers and make them easier to read. So we use commas every third digit from the right to separate our thousand from ones, here, and to separate millions from thousands, here. Now we start with the millions columns. We look at the millions. We can see that we have 4 in the 1 millions column, or 4 million. Then we look at the thousands columns. Here we can see that we have 763 thousands, 7 in the 100, 6 or 60 in the tens, and 3 in the ones. So it's 763,000. Then we look at the ones column. We can see that we have 8 in the hundreds, 9 or 90 in the tens, and 2 in the ones, so 892. So we'd write 4,763,892. What is this number in words? When we're looking at large numbers, we need to look at place value. So we add our columns, and then we add commas every third digit from the right, here between ones and thousands, and here between thousands and millions. We start with the millions columns. We can see that we have 9 in the 1 millions columns, so we have 9 million. Then we look at the thousands columns. We can see we have 7 in the tens, or 70, and 5 in the ones, so we have 75,000. Then we look at the ones column. We can see that we have 3 in the hundreds and 1 in the ones, so we have 301. So it's 9,075,301. Write this as a number: 2,106,218. We write our columns and we start with the millions. It says 2 million, so we put 2 in the millions column, in the 1 millions. Then we look at the thousands. It says we have 106,000, so we have 1 in the 100,000 column, and we have 6 in the 1,000 column. Then we look at the ones. We have 218, so we have 2 in the hundreds column, and 18 is the same as 1 in the tens, and 8 in the ones. Now we can look at the number. We start from the right hand side. We have 8 in the ones, 1 in the tens, 2 in the hundreds, 6 in the 1,000s. We have 0 in the 10,000s column, 1 in the 100,000s column, and 2 in the 1 millions column. We can add our commas to make it easier to read. So it would go here between the 1 and the thousands, and here between the thousands and the millions. So it's 2,106,218. What is this number? 7,284,065. Have our columns. We start with the millions. We can see it says 7 million, so it's a 7 in the 1 millions column. Then we look at our thousands. 284,000. So we can see we look at the thousands, it's 2 in the 100,000s, 8 or 80 in the 10,000s, and 4 in the 1,000s. Then we look at the ones. We can see it says 65. 60 is the same as 6 in the tens column, so we write the 6 in the tens and 5 in the ones. Now we need to backfill the 0 in the hundreds column as we have 0 hundreds. So we add our commas to make it easier to read between the ones and the thousands and the thousands and the millions. So we can see 7284065. What is the number 7789762 in words? Let's write the number. We look at the millions first. We can see we have 7 million. So 7 million. Then we look at the thousands. We can see we have 789,000. So we write 789,000. Then we look at the ones. We have 762. So we write 762. We look for the correct answer and we can see it's this one. This is the right answer. Write this as a number, 9,999,548. We write our columns. We start with the millions, 9 million. So it's 9 in the 1 millions column. Then we look at the thousands, 999. So we're 9 in the 100,000s, 9 or 90 in the 10,000s, and 9 in the 1,000s. And 548. So we look at the ones column, 5 in the hundreds, 4 or 40 in the tens, and 8 in the ones. We write in the box, look at the millions, 9, and then the thousands, 999, and then the ones, 548. Remember, when looking at reading and writing large numbers, we need to look at place value. We start with the millions, we then look at the thousands, and then look at the ones. And adding a comma every third digit from the right can make it easier to read.